Hello. If one any doubt to ask me, otherwise proceed further. My dear friend, you get my voice?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Okay. Any problem to ask me, otherwise proceed further. You know, we discuss about the vector. Vector is very simple. What is vector quantity? We discuss about the fundamental of vector quantity. We have discussed about the fundamental of scalar quantity, dot product, cross product, vector table product, and scalar product. Yes or no? You get my voice, Vansika? Do you get my voice? Yes or no? Hello. I'm audible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Parth, I'm audible? Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, good. So you know, I discussed about the three important property of vector. You know that is gradient, divergence, and curl. So you know, I'm discussing about the divergence. You know, gradient. You know, I tell you what is this when I was discussing in detail. So just I want to revise these things. This is known as del operator. I tell you, this is known as del operator. This is del bar. This is vector quantity. This is also known as differential operator. And the value of this one is I del by del x plus j del by del y plus k del by del z. Yes or no? It is clear. This is known as differential operator. This is known as del bar. And what is this? This is known as vector quantity. This is vector quantity. Yes or no? My dear friend, you tell me. Do you get my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you know this differential is operated in three ways. When it is operated on any scalar point function, this is what is this? V is known as electrical potential. Electric potential. Electric potential is a scalar quantity. When del is operated on any scalar quantity, this is known as del V. This is known as del V. It is called as gradient of V. It is V scalar quantity function. Some books has taken phi. Phi is also a scalar point function. So it is operated on any scalar point function. This is known as del V. So this is known as gradient of V. This is equal to I del V by del x plus j del V by upon del y plus del V upon del z into k. This is known as gradient of a scalar field, and gradient can be represented by GRAD. This is gradient. Gradient V means del is operator applied on any scalar function. So I already discussed about this one. So this is known as gradient. In previous lecture, I have discussed about this one. Anyone have doubt to ask me? In previous lecture, I discussed detail about the gradient. Yes or no? I tell you, when del is operated on any scalar point function, L is scalar, this is gradient. Again, I tell you, when del is operated on any vector point function with dot product, this is known as divergence. And when del is operated on any vector point function with cross product means scalar product, this is known as curl. This is very important. So I discuss about the gradient. So if you know, have you any doubt question? Otherwise proceed for divergence. Hello, any doubt to anyone? Rama, hello Parth, any doubt? No?
No doubt, sir.
Ali, tell me, okay? So, you know, I proceed for the uh, uh, divergence. This is very important. You know, already I tell you, what is divergence? Divergence of a vector field A is denoted by diva. This is known as divergence of vector field A. So I tell you, when del is operated on any vector quantity with dot product. You know what is this? This is dot product. When del is operated on any vector quantity with dot product, this is known as divergence. And it is right like this one, div vector A. This is what? This is known as divergence of vector field. So divergence of A is equal to del dot A. And you know the value of the del. The value of del is already I tell you, I del by del x plus j del by del y plus k del by del z dot A. This is dot product. Okay, A. So when I suppose that the value of vector A is a1i plus A2j plus A3k. What is this? This is the vector quantity A. It may be AXI, AY, it depends upon you. Whenever, whatever the vector quantity, no problem. So I suppose that A is a vector quantity and vector A can be expressed as A1i plus A2j plus A3k. Then you can write here divergence of A is equal to I dot I is 1. You know, this is dot product. Do you get my point? Hello, do you get my point? This is the dot product. I dot I is 1. So del A1 upon del x. And again, rest j dot j is 0, j dot k is 0. Sorry, I dot j is equal to 0, I dot k is equal to 0. Again, j dot I is 0, j dot j is 1. Show that del A2 by del y. Similarly, for z, del A3 divided by del. What is this? You know, the divergence of any vector. You know, by divergence of any vector, this is scalar quantity because there is no unit vector. Divergence of any vector quantity is known as a scalar quantity because there is, you know, A is vector quantity. You know, del operator is vector quantity. When I take dot product, what is this? We get this scalar quantity. So that if you apply a divergence of any vector quantity, we get scalar quantity. This is known as divergence. Divergence of vector field, divergence means, you know, spread. Divergence means you spread. So if I take a divergence of any vector quantity, so this is divergence of any vector quantity, vector A is equal to del A1 divided by del x plus del A2 divided by del y plus del A3 divided by del z. This is the divergence of any vector quantity. Have you doubt any question? Ask me, otherwise proceed further. Have you doubt anyone? Anyone have any problem? No. So, you know what is this? This is the physical system. This is very important. So I am talking about the. I'm audible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, physical significance of divergence. You know, if A is vector quantity, we have taken divergence of any vector quantity. What is this? It measures that. What is divergence of A? Divergence of A means how much diverge. Diverge means flow out. Flow out means it is spread. Divergence of any quantity is frequently how much it diverges and how much it converges. So you know what is this? This is the if divergence of A is greater than 0. What is this? I want to express the physical significance of divergence with the help of this figure. This is very clear figure, very important figure. So this is suppose that there's any field here. P is the point where any field is placed. So there is divergence. If divergence A is greater than 0 means value is greater than 0. If greater than 0 means what is this? The scalar field, you know, this is diverge. Diverge means it will be spread out. Spread out means this is flows out. This is known as divergence. And if divergence of A is less than 0 means its value is very small. If value is very small, then it represents converge. Converge means, you know, comes in, flow in. So this is what it is. This is any vector quantity. This is any vector quantity at point P. If divergence of A is equal to greater to 0, it will diverge. Diverge means it will flow out. Flow out means it will be spread out. It will spread out. And if divergence of any vector quantity is less than 0, so this is known as converge. Converge means its flow in. Converge. Converge means it comes in. So this is known as convergence. This is known as divergence. If divergence of A is equal to 0, 0 means it is not divergence, it is not flows out, it is not diverge, and not it converges. So this straight line. What does it mean? In this condition, if divergence of any vector quantity is 0, so that vector is said to be sinusoidal. This is very important. This question is very important. Sometimes ask is suppose that vector A is this much. So prove that this is sinusoidal. So if I calculate the value of divergence of that vector quantity, if it is 0, then we can say that this is sinusoidal. If this is not sinusoidal, this is not sinusoidal, but this is sinusoidal. When any vector is given, if I take in the divergence of that vector, if it is 0, so that vector is said to be sinusoidal. This is simple about the divergence. Yes, anybody have any question to ask me? Anybody have any question about this one, divergence? You to ask me. I'm audible to my friend. Hello. Hello, I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
I hope. Yes. Okay, Jasandeep. Any have Paul Bansal, any question, doubt to ask me?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. Vansika, are you here? Vanshika, do you get my voice? Vanshika. Vansika, do you get my voice? No. Okay, so this is known as divergence. Next is very important again, curl. This is very important. Curl is very important. So you keep in mind this is curl. What is this curl? Curl of any vector quantity is defined as, this is the, I already tell you, when del operator is operated on any vector quantity with, yes, who is speaking? I get noise from background. Hello? Kindly mute yourself. I get background noise. Hello? Hemang Bhatia. Kindly mute
Yes.
yourself. Why I get noise from your background? Okay, so I tell you, when del is operated, this is again very important, curl is very important. Again, I tell you, when del is operated on any vector quantity with cross product, so this is known as curl of A. Again, I tell you, del is operated on any scalar quantity, this is divergence, sorry, gradient, and del is operated on any vector quantity with dot product, this is divergence. And if del is operated on any vector quantity with cross product, this is known as curl of A. So what is curl? Curl represents the rotation. Rotation means direction. This is vector quantity, so it is represent the rotation. Rotation means direction. I say you here, the curl of vector quantity, vector actually gives the rotation of that vector in field. So it can be expressed in terms of determinant. Curl of A means del cross A means del is ijk, del by del s, del by del y, and del by del z. This is z. Okay. To keep in mind, this is z. So del cross A is equal to curl of A is equal to ijk, del by del x, del by del y, del by del z, and vector A is known as axi, ayj, and azk. So this is the I component in ax, y component, j component in ay, and k component in aj. So curl of any vector quantity is expressed in terms of determinant. So how to write here? So I del az del by del y into az, del az by ly, del by del y into az, minus del by del z ay, del by del z ay, plus j del by del z into ax, del by del z into ax, minus del by del x into az, plus k del by del x ay minus del by del y into ax. Yes, the value of a is given here, axi ayj plus azk. What is del? Del is I del by del x plus j del by del y into del by del k. So this is known as curl. Curl of any vector quantity represents the rotation, and it is the cross product between del operator and vector quantity, and this gives the vector quantity. Vector means ijk. This represents the vector rotation. This represents the vector. So this is about the vector quantity. So how can I represent its field? Suppose that, hello my dear friend, this is surface S, whole surface is L. So whole surface is S, and this is what L. L is the small length on the surface boundary. Sorry, L is this is the length of the boundary. So I have taken small length ds. Sorry, a small length is dl, and a small surface is ds. So rotation of any vector quantity can be expressed in terms of curl. So it is written as the rotation of vector A over surface S. This is surface S over surface S. This is small element dl, our length, and this is the small surface of surface means this is small surface ds. So I can express the curl of vector A over surface S ds is equal to del cross A into S dot ds. This is known as curl, this rotation of any vector quantity. So this is what is this? Curl operate. You know, if curl is operated on any vector quantity, we get another vector quantity. This is surface S, and this is closed path. This is closed path L. So we have continuous small element ds and a small length is dl. So can be expressed in terms of curl filter expressed in terms of surface integral of curl of A to ds is equal to curl of A means simply del cross A. So I calculate this value. This is equal to the this is equal to the vector quantity. If I operate curl of any vector quantity, so we get again vector quantity. You keep in mind again what is the physical significance of curl. So this is one line is very important. What is this first second line is very important. What is curl of A? Curl of A measures the rotation of vector field, and if this is again important, again I tell you curl of A is equal to 0. Suppose that curl of A is equal to 0, then what is the value A? A is vector quantity. It is known as, it is said to be irrotational, or it is known as conservative vector field. What is, again I tell you, what is the meaning of curl? So what is divergence? Divergence is just flow out. It will be spread out. This is known as divergence. And what is curl? Curl measures the rotation. And curl of A is equal to, this is known as, if it is 0, then it is said to be irrotational, and this is known as conservative field. So curl of magnetic field B represent the magnetomotive force. So this is the physical significance of a vector quantity curl. So you know, again I want to just revise three definitions I discussed here. I discussed here three definitions. Again I tell you that what is three definition. So you know, again I want to just go back. So just sorry, just a minute. You know, I tell you what is del operator. This is the del operator. This is the del operator. Have you seen on screen, my dear friend? You are able to see? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir, we are able to see.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is del operator. This is equal to I del by del x plus j del y plus k del y. This is differential operator, and this is expressed in arrow. Arrow means this express the vector quantity. When it is operated on scalar quantity, this is called gradient of phi, and gradient of phi is a vector quantity. Again, when this operated on a scalar quantity with dot product, so this is known as divergence, and it is gives a scalar quantity. Again, when this is operated on any vector quantity with cross product, this gives the curl of that value. Curl means rotation. Rotation is direction. So it is give again when applied on the any vector quantity with cross product. So again we get the vector quantity. So this is very simple about the gradient, divergence, and curl. This is very important. When it is a scalar function, so this is grad 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 phi. If it is on vector quantity with dot product, so I write here divergence of A. Divergence means just spread out, flow out, and curl of any vector quantity in del cross vector A. This is known as rotation. And when divergence of any vector quantity is 0, this is known as solenoidal. And when any the cross product of any quantity is 0, curl of any vector quantity is 0, this is known as irrotational, or you can say that this is conservative. Anyone have any doubt to ask me? Anybody
No,
have
sir.
any question? Okay, very good. Rama, have you written down? Rama, Diksha, Mr. Yuvraj, any question, doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. And Mr. Parth.
No doubt, sir.
So actually, what is going to happen?
No
I
doubt,
want
sir.
to make a good thank you to all of you. Again, you know what is going to happen? There is question to ask, numerical question asked. How can you calculate divergence? How can you calculate gradient? How can you calculate the curve? So I want to discuss some question based on this formula. Okay. Have you any problem? Hello. Hello. So I want to kindly keep have you keep pen and copy because I want to make practice. Because after this I will start 23. I only use this one only. So I want to make practice for discussing some question based on gradient, divergence, and curl. Yes or no, my dear friend? Tell me. Hello. Have you pen and copy? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
So I want to share my other PPT. Kindly wait for that one. Okay. So I want to discuss some question based on this one. Any doubt? Anyone have any doubt to ask me? Otherwise, I just share my second PPT about the numericals. In numericals, you ask in exam, sure, you keep in mind. You keep in mind in the examination, the numerical to ask, so you should always keep in mind. So, I want to discuss some numerical question based on diffraction. Sorry, based on gradient and gradient, divergence, and curl. Have you get my PowerPoint?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir. Not visible.
Okay, just wait. I just share. Just wait. It will be visible. No, it is not visible again.
It's not visible, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. Not visible.
Okay, no problem. Just wait. It will be visible. It is visible, my friend.
No, sir.
No, sir.
What happened? What happened? I'm trying. Just wait again. Again. Try again. Just wait again. I'm trying for. Okay.
It's visible now.
Visible now. Thank you. Thank you. What's going to happen? Sometimes it is visible. Sometimes it's not visible. Okay, dear friend, you get my PowerPoint? Okay, so you know this question, first question, have you been
Has sir disconnected?
Oh, thank God. Yeah, he is disconnected.
भाई रिकॉर्ड हुआ है ये
नहीं, थैंक गॉड, मेरे को लगा नेट मर गया मेरा।
Nice
हाँ,
save. हाँ.
Do you get my voice? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Automatically MS Teams was going to close. I'm not understanding why. Okay, just again I want to share my PowerPoint. Just wait. It is visible. PowerPoint is visible. Do you get my voice?
Sir, it is opening. It's
It
not
is
visible
opening.
till.
Okay. So visible, my dear friend. Hello.
Yes, sir. Now it is visible.
Okay. You know, yes, very good. This is very important question. This is the very important question. It is going to ask in examination. Must be. This is totally. You know what is V? If V means any electric potential. If V is any electric potential, that is equal to 2s square minus 3y square plus z square. So find the electric field intensity. So find the electric field intensity. So you know how can find this one? What is electric field intensity? Electric field intensity, I tell you, E is equal to minus grade V, gradient of V. Hello, do you get my point? The question
Yes,
is
sir.
that potential is given. Potential is given. Now you calculate the electric field. This is very important question. So you know electric field is equal to minus gradient of V. So you calculate the value of E is equal to minus del V. Del is I del y del x plus del upon del y plus j del y plus k del y del z into V. V means potential. So what is the value? Gradient of V? Gradient of V is equal to minus I del V upon del x plus k del V upon del y plus k del V upon del z. So calculate this value at point 2 question is given. First you calculate the value of gradient of V. Tell me the answer. This is the application of gradient. Nikita, do you get my voice? Nikita. Hello, Nikita.
Yes, sir.
You get my voice?
Yes, sir.
Can you solve this question? Are you solving this question?
Yes, sir. I'm solving.
Okay. Thank you. Rama, do you get the question? Rama?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I'm
Parth?
solving the question.
Where is Mr. Parth? Parth?
Yes, sir.
Parth Batra? Where is Mr. Parth Batra?
Yes, sir.
Good. Have you any problem? Tell me. Otherwise,
No, sir.
Okay, tell me what is the answer. Vidhi?
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Vanshika, do you
Sir,
get my
what is
voice?
the answer?
Vanshika, Parth, tell me. Parth Bansal,
I'm
tell me.
doing, sir.
Okay. Parth Bansal, tell me any question, doubt?
Sir, what is the answer?
I tell you. You tell me what
Sir,
is the answer?
minus 12y plus 12j plus 4z.
K. Hello.
Yes, sir.
4z. You substitute the value of 2, you know, value given.
Yes, I have substituted.
Yes, substitute
Sorry,
S to 3,
Sir, वो k
Y
था,
to
sorry.
2,
IJK.
and Z to minus 2. Okay. Yes, do you get the question? Answer? Parth? Satvik?
Sir,
Yes. Any problem? Yuvraj? Yuraj Walia.
Sir, solving.
Okay. Jasandeep, what is the answer?
Sir, solving.
Okay, good. Vasveer,
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
any doubt to ask me? You calculate simple the value of minus of gradient of V. Phi, because I want to calculate the value of E. Do you get the answer?
Calculated, but don't know if
Okay.
it's correct.
Yes, but Parth, what is the answer? Parth, tell me.
Minus 12i plus 12j plus 4k.
Very good. Anyone
Same
more?
here, sir. Sir, same here.
Who's telling?
Sir, same.
Sir, Vanshika.
Very good. You are all of correct. Very good. You know, I saw this question like this one. You know, E is equal to minus rate of E, I del by del x plus j del by del y plus k del by del z. So 2x square minus 3y square plus z square. I saw this one. So we get value minus 4xi. Have you seen on screen, my dear friend? Have you seen on screen? Minus 4xi. This is unit vector. Okay, ijk is unit vector. Okay. Minus 4xi plus 6yj plus 2zk. Yes or no? I substitute here value 3 x3,
Yes.
y2 and z minus 2. So this is minus 12i plus 12j plus 4k. Anyone have doubt to ask me? I hope everyone get this answer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes.
Good. Very good. Prajwal, what is the answer? Prajwal.
Sir, I'm just finally just
Okay.
finishing in that.
Neha.
Sir, I'm doing.
Okay. Nibil. Okay. Do you get my voice, Nibil? Arunit, you get my voice, Arunit?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I proceed for next question, if you don't mind. This is the answer of this one again. So next question. In a conduction phenomenon, a flow of heat through a rod under the steady state thermal surface defined by the equation theta is equal to given. So calculate the temperature field. Temperature field means temperature is a scalar quantity. So what is this? Temperature field means we want to calculate the gradient of theta. So you calculate the temperature field means gradient of theta. Grad theta is equal to del theta. And tell me the value. You get my point? Same question. That was V. Here is only theta because I want to calculate temperature is a scalar point function. So scalar field means I'm talking about the gradient. We have taken the gradient of temperature. Okay, Vanshika, do you get my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is the value of gradient of theta?
Sir, 10.
This is 10. No, not why 10. I take it will, I hope it ijk because you are not getting any point. It will be xyj.
9i minus
Oh,
5j plus
9i.
6k.
Very
Yes, the
good,
same.
very good. So what is the answer? I want to discuss here. 9i minus 5j plus 6k. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Anyone doubt to ask me? Anyone had doubt to ask me? 9i, answer is clear. 9i minus 5j plus 6k. Anybody have doubt to ask me? Okay, Yuraj, you get the answer? Part one, sir, do you get the answer?
Yes, sir, I got the answer.
Good, thank you. And any one of you?
Yes, I got the answer.
Jasandeep, good. Vansveer? Satvik?
Yes, sir.
Good, good, good. So I proceed for
Yeah,
next
I
question.
got the answer.
This is question based on the gradient. So you are able to understand and you have to calculate any question based on gradient. Okay? So I make practice. This is the value. Again, next question. If capital A, vector A is equal to x square z I minus 2y cube z square j plus k square xy square z k. I j k is unit vector. Then find the value of divergence of A and curl of A at point 2, 2, 2. Because x equal to 2, y is equal to 2, and z equal to 2. So, I want to make practice. How can you calculate the divergence of any vector quantity? And how can you calculate the curl of any vector quantity? Do you get my point? Are you solving the question?
Yes, sir, solving. Divergence 6i minus 48j plus 6k.
Okay, I tell you answer. You write on copy, okay? At last I saw the question, tell the answer. Okay, pass.
Yes,
Anyone
sir.
more? Anyone more? Rama, Arneet, Hemant Bhatia, Jasandeep, Vasavi, Yuraj, Prajwal, Vidhi, Nikita, Vansika. Tell me the answer.
सर स्लाइड चेंज
Slide-
किया आपने?
Hello, yes?
सर हैव यू चेंज द स्लाइड? या अब चेंज हुई, सॉरी मेरी सर अटक गई थी शायद स्लाइड.
Okay, take care, my dear friend.
यस सर.
Yes, anyone answer? You get answer? Divergence, value of divergence. I tell you the answer of divergence of A. Divergence of A is minus 80. Do you get this value? Hello? Anyone get this value? Divergence of A. Divergence of A means, have you seen on slide? Hello, my dear friend. Hello, do you get my voice? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
divergence of A is equal to del dot A is equal to del AX by del X plus del AY by del Y plus del A by del Z. Already do you this one? What is the value of AX?
Sir, I got this, sir.
Yes. AX is equal to
Yes,
X by
sir.
Z
Okay, sir.
and AY is equal to minus 2y cube Z square. It is correct or not? And del by del is X Y square Z. Yes or no? Yes or no, my friend?
Yes, sir. आ गया. Sir,
Yes,
आ
sir.
गया.
Okay. What is the answer? Answer is, I hope you saw this one. X square Z means 2x Z, and this is equal to 3 to the 6. 6 y square Z square, and Z is 1, so x y square. Yes or no? This is scalar quantity because the evidence of any vector quantity is scalar quantity. I already tell you, my dear friend, the evidence of any vector quantity is scalar quantity. So what is the value of 2, 2, 2? So I saw this one, 2 to the 4 to the 8, 4, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 96 plus 2 to the 4 to the 8. So minus 80, it is correct or not? Hello?
Yes, sir. Correct.
This value is correct? Parth, we are doing mistake, Mr. Parth.
Sir, आ गया sir answer.
Okay, good. So you get how can you calculate, Mr. Parth?
Yes, sir. आ गया.
Okay, good. Vansika, so calculate for next curl of A. Parth, everyone now calculate for next one. Rama, do you get the value,
Calculating.
Rama? Okay, just I wait, no problem. Rama.
Yes, sir.
Have you calculated this value?
Yes, sir.
What is the value? What is the answer? Yes, Mr. Yuraj Walia.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer? You get answer?
So the first part, yes, I have got the answer. I am doing the second part.
Okay, good. Thank you. Jasandeep, Vansavir, Pajwal, do you get answer?
Sir, doing the second part, sir.
Okay, good. Very good. Vidhi.
So doing the second part.
Very good. Arunit.
Yes,
Nibir.
sir.
Yes, good. Very good. Yes, you get the value of second part? Anyone? Part, you get the value of second part?
Almost done.
Okay, good. Very good. Try to, okay? Let's do it best, okay? Vansika, what is the answer?
Sir, I'm solving the second part.
Good.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Tell me the answer. You are taking very much time.
minus 48
Hello.
I cap.
Yes, what is the answer? Yes, yes, Basavir.
Minus 48 I cap.
Hmm.
Minus 4 J cap plus
Okay.
0 K cap.
0 K cap. 0 means this is 0.
So K cap
Okay.
is.
Yes, K is 0. Okay. So not right level. Okay. So you know you have to solve this question with the help of determinant. Anyone more? Path answer. What is the answer?
सर काफी बड़ा आंसर है मतलब 1024 I.
No. You are mistake. You are doing mistake somewhere. Can you check your answer, Mr. Path answer?
Yes, sir. वही चेक कर रहा था इसलिए.
Yes, I can't expect this with you. You know, we have to solve this question with the help of determinant. Hello. So I hope it will take time. But you know, you have to make practice, okay? Because I have given some question. I hope you at your home you make practice. Because when you calculate the curl of any vector quantity, so we have to use the determinant. When we have to determinant, so it will take some time and it is long process. Okay, Parth?
Yes, sir.
Jasandeep, do you get answer?
So almost done, sir.
Okay, good. Yuraj, what is the answer? Yuraj Walia? No. Bidhi, what is the answer? Bidhi?
Sir, I'm doing, sir.
Okay, Nikita?
Sir, I'm
Nikita.
solving.
Yes, good. Rama? Neha Goyal? Neha, what is the answer?
Sir, I'm doing.
Good.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
सर कर्ल फाइंड करने के लिए हमें डिटरमिनेंट लेना है पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव ऑफ a डिवाइडेड बाय x मतलब पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव ऑफ a विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x of with respect to y and z.
Yes. I already tell you, no, when I talking about the curve.
Yes sir वही मैं
Yes, I
कह रहा था
discuss
क्योंकि यहाँ
about
गलती
the
नहीं की थी
detail
तो नीचे की कैलकुलेशन में हो गई.
problem first. You try to. This is the first time, so you try well. Okay, no problem. Okay. After this class, you know, you have a book, so you make practice of solving more question. Okay. Okay, Parth?
Yes, sir.
Anyone any doubt? Otherwise, proceed for answer. Rama, you did it. Yuraj Walia, do you get answer?
No, sir, still doing it.
Okay, no problem. Try to well. As Rajput, Neha, Jasandeep, what is the answer? Jasandeep, what is the answer?
Sir, 80 I cap minus 4 J cap plus 0 K.
0 K. Okay. Divyam, what is the answer? Divyam.
So I'm doing it right now.
Okay. So I want to give you answer. Hello, many people have done the answer. So you know I proceed for answer. Do you get this one? Answer is 80I minus 4J. Do you get? Correct. This is correct answer. Vansivir, what is the answer?
So
Yes, sir, I got this, sir.
48 आ रहा था मैंने माइनस प्लस कर दिया.
Okay, good. Mr. Parth, have you seen the slide?
Yes, sir. Just checking it.
You know, what is this? Call of A to del class A, ijk del by del s del by del y del by del 8 into ax ay az. So what is ax? Ax is x square z, ay is minus 2y cube z square, and z is x square xy square z. So I take determinant. Okay, I take the determinant. This is determinant value. And what is this? What is this? Respect to y. So this becomes 2y x z. Or plus this is z.
I found a mistake. Yes, sir.
No problem. It may be, but try. Good, no problem. Mistake means you are doing well. Okay. So this is what is the value of this one? Minus plus z. Z means 2 to the 4. So you know this is I. Sorry, this is I. I'm talking about Z. Okay. So this is y square Z. Okay. What is going to happen here? This part is 0, xy 0. This one is x. X means this is y square Z, and Z means x square. What is this? This one is, I hope this one is column is this one. Z by Z. Oh no, this is the del by x square Z, del by minus 2y cube s square. So what is the value here? Minus plus 6, 2 to 4. There is any some mistake? Oh, this is the mistake. Okay. Here is mistake. Okay. This value is 2xy. This is the 4y cube Z. Okay. This is mistake here. Okay. Hello. There is mistake. 2 to 4. Okay. Z. Hello, my dear friend. Have you seen this here? This is correct answer. This is correct value. I write here. 2xyz plus minus plus 4y cube Z. Okay. Plus J is x square minus y square Z. Okay. This is correct answer. I substituted 2, 2, 2. So this is, hello, do you get my point? Do you get or not? Hello, my dear friend. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the value is 80i minus 4j. Have you got this value, everyone? Once again, what is the answer?
So 80i minus 4.
This is correct?
नो सर वहाँ -48 था पहले, प्लस माइनस में गलती हुई थी.
Okay, plus minus गलती है. मैं चेक करता हूँ. So what is the answer? I hope what is the answer?
Sir, 80i minus 4j.
80i minus 4j. Okay, this is correct.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
My answer is, you know, hello, hi, this is point. This I write here correct answer. Okay, this is wrong. I write here I 2xyz plus 4y cube z. Okay, this is correct answer. Okay, this is not correct. This is not correct. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is correct answer. Okay. So any doubt? Any doubt? Anyone? Otherwise, proceed for attendance. So you know, Jasandeep.
Present, sir.
Rama.
Present, sir.
Dibyam.
Present, sir.
Okay. Mohit. Mohit.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Shekhar Vasisht.
Present, sir.
Sahil.
Present, sir.
Vanshika.
Present, sir.
Vidhi.
Present, sir.
Hiren Shani.
Present, sir.
Samir.
Present, sir.
Sudiksha.
Present, sir.
Yes Kapoor.
Present, sir.
Vansveer.
Present sir.
Sanket.
Present, sir.
Neha.
Present, sir.
Parth.
Present, sir.
Aitya.
Present, sir.
Satvik.
Present, sir.
Thank you. And wife Panjal. Panjal Goswami. Rajpal.
Yes, sir. Present, sir. Present.
Adit Kumar. Kindly mute yourself. Adit Kumar. Santanu Raj Chaudhary. Santanu. Naman.
Present, sir. Naman.
Yuraj Walia.
Present, sir.
Okay, present.
Sir, Shantanu present.
Santanu present. Okay. Tushar, हाँ, yes, Santanu, you are present. Okay, हाँ, Santanu, you are present.
Excuse me, sir.
Nikita, Tushar Jain. Tushar Jain. Nikita,
Present, sir.
Pragati. Arunit,
Present, sir.
Hemant,
Present, sir.
Arman,
Present, sir.
Rakshit Malik.
Present, sir.
Okay. Aryan,
Present, sir.
Nibir,
Present, sir.
Parth Bansal,
Present.
Bhavya Singh.
Present, sir.
Sir, Parth Bansal present.
Okay. Tushar Jain is here. Tushar Jain. And Nikita, Nikita, Pragati, are you here?
Excuse me,
Okay,
sir.
thanks to all of you for nice cooperation.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, you
Sir.
skipped my name.